Hello. Welcome to U.S. Immigration Updates. The Biden administration intends to dispatch a contingent of United States immigration officials to Panama with the purpose of assisting local authorities in the process of scrutinizing and repatriating migrants who are traversing the Central American nation. Panama serves as a crucial juncture for individuals seeking to get the southern border of the United States. In this video, we're going to discuss Biden's plans to deploy immigration officers to handle immigration issues and their effect on immigrants. If you are interested in learning more about this topic, stay tuned until the end of this video. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button, the like this video button, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get new updates instantly and directly to your YouTube. So, without any further delay, let's get into the video. According to undisclosed U.S. government officials, the Department of Homeland Security intends to deploy a group of experienced officials who specialize in screening asylum seekers and deporting migrants to Panama. This deployment is contingent upon the finalization of an agreement with the Panamanian government, which has formally requested assistance from the United States. The officials have chosen to remain anonymous in order to discuss internal plans. The aim is to provide training and support to Panamanian authorities in managing a significant influx of migrants into the Darien Gap, a challenging jungle region that serves as a link between Panama and South America. This assistance will involve personnel from different agencies within the Department of Homeland Security, such as the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services and Immigration and Customs Enforcement. According to data provided by the Panamanian government, a staggering number of migrants, over 500,000 individuals, have successfully traversed the previously formidable Darien jungle on foot this year. Notably, half of these migrants consist of women and children, a figure that surpasses previous records and defies prior expectations. A significant proportion of migrants originates from Venezuela, where millions of individuals have sought refuge in response to a pervasive economic crisis and the presence of an authoritarian regime. The Biden administration intends to provide training to Panamanian officials with the objective of enhancing their capacity to assess migrants for humanitarian protection and facilitate the deportation of individuals who do not meet the eligibility criteria. According to a senior U.S. official, there are plans to assist Panama in obtaining government contracts to strengthen its deportation operations. The unique effort is expected to receive financial support from monies provided by the U.S. State Department. The executive branch has officially informed the legislative body, Congress, of its intention to allocate the funds to the Department of Homeland Security (DHS) in order to finance the endeavor. However, the implementation of this plan is contingent upon the completion of a legal agreement between Panama and the United States. According to a senior U.S. official, the primary objective of the program is to offer technical support and enhance capacity in order to launch a more comprehensive initiative for the repatriation of migrants who fail to establish a legal foundation to stay in Panama. The U.S. plans highlight the Biden administration's urgent efforts to address the huge surge in migration to the southern border observed in the previous 3 years. During the fiscal year of 2023, the U.S. Border Patrol documented a total of more than 2 million apprehensions of unauthorized migrants who entered the nation, marking the second instance in which the agency has exceeded this figure. The plans also demonstrate the degree to which the United States, regardless of political party affiliation, depends on other nations in the region to handle intricate migratory patterns that have increased both in terms of raw volume and the diversity of nationalities and demographics involved. The Biden administration has been actively engaged in persuading Latin American nations to curtail the flow of migrants heading towards the United States. This is being accomplished through the provision of humanitarian protection to eligible individuals, while those who do not meet the criteria are being subjected to deportation. The U.S. brokered Los Angeles Declaration on Migration and Protection, signed last year, received agreement from 19 countries. The Biden administration has endeavored to address migration by employing diplomatic strategies with a dual approach of imposing consequences for unauthorized border crossings, such as a law that limits eligibility for asylum, and enhancing legal pathways for migrants to enter the United States. The aforementioned technique exhibited a degree of efficacy during the latter part of the spring season, as seen by a notable decrease in unauthorized border crossings along the southern border, reaching the lowest point observed in a span of 2 years. However, the decline observed earlier was promptly reversed over the summer season, leading to a substantial increase in unauthorized border crossings. In fact, the month of September witnessed the largest number of unlawful crossings recorded this year. This surge can be attributed, at least in part, to the unprecedented influx of individuals from Venezuela. The number of unauthorized border crossings had a decline in October, while they continued to persist at levels that are historically elevated. According to a senior official from the United States, the initiation of deportation flights to Venezuela has played a role in the decline of migration to both the United States and Panama. This decrease in migration has been particularly notable in the crossings via the Darien Forest in October. That's all we have for you in this bulletin. I hope you found this video useful. We will continue to keep a close eye on the developments as immigration-related updates and will publish new videos when there are more updates. The U.S. Immigration Update channel provides all necessary visa information and procedures for your U.S. immigration journey. It is important to understand the United States immigration processing steps, visa application requirements, processing times, forms, fees, and more. We will continue to provide all information about U.S. visitor visas such as B1 and B2, work visas such as L1A, L1B, and H1B, student visas, green cards, immigrant visas, EB1, EB2, EB3, EB4, and EB5, and family immigrant visas. Thank you for visiting us today, and we'll see you in the next video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe channel for more U.S. immigration update videos.